Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate CNN streaming app step by step clearly. To activate the CNN streaming app, start by downloading it from your device's app store. Search for CNN in the App Store. Once you find the app, select it and tap on Install or Get. Wait for the download to complete and then open the app. You will be greeted by a welcome screen. Tap on Sign In to proceed. If you do not have an account, select Create Account to set up a new profile. Enter your email address and create a password. Follow the prompts to complete the account creation process. Once you are signed in, you may need to verify your email address. Check your email inbox for a verification email from CNN. Click on the link in the email to verify your account. Return to the CNN app once your account is verified. If you have a cable subscription, select the option to sign in with your cable provider. Choose your cable provider from the list displayed. Enter your login credentials for your cable account. If you do not have a cable provider, explore the subscription options available within the app. Follow the prompts to set up your subscription if necessary. Once signed in, you can customize your preferences for news topics. Navigate through the app to locate your desired content. Enjoy streaming news and live events on the CNN app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.